in the universe where we can find time and space. This is the beginning. There are billions of galaxies. In each one of these galaxies, there is a system of gravity. This system is based on a central star surrounded by a group of planets. Like our solar system. The gravity of the central star keeps the rest of the planets surrounding it moving in an orbit. The central star of each system is different according to the size, heat, color, and gravity. The red stars, the smallest, are the most in our galaxy, with temperature ranges between 1700 degrees and 3200 degrees. They are called the dwarf stars. The mass of the largest one of these stars may reach up to half of our sun's mass. The yellow or orange stars, like our sun, have a surface temperature almost 5,500 Celsius degrees. Also bigger in the size of the red dwarf stars. Less long life than the red stars. The white giant stars. They have a high temperature that may reach to 12,000 Celsius degrees. With age, they cool down and appear redder, or glow red light. The blue stars. Also giant stars, some of them are supergiant. The blue stars with a surface temperature more than 30,000 Celsius degrees. Here we start the story of the black hole. When the supergiant blue star collapses at the end of its life under its own gravity, it explodes, creating the black hole. Once the star collapses and transforms into a black hole, its gravitational pull increases. Nothing can escape this gravity, even the light. Albert Einstein's relativity theory predicted the deformation of time and space as a result of a massive mass compact. Even if he was not sure about that, he helped the astronomers to explain the black hole phenomenon, which they watched with the modern astronomical telescopes. Generally, it is too hard to explain the idea of the black hole out of the scientific field and the physical equation. Because the huge gravity of the black hole would swallow any spaceship or space probe. The scientific geniuses like Einstein, Oppenheimer, Schwarzschild, Johannes Drost, Hendrik Lorentz, John Michell, and many more explained that phenomenon using mathematical calculation. What scientists have agreed upon is that the gravity of the black hole is capable of swallowing any planet or star, or even an entire group close to it. Once the black hole pulls a planet or star, it transforms into an observable flash of radiation, or stretched unrecognized object and becomes a part of the black hole center where there is no time, no place, no escape, or we can call the eternity. It could happen that two black hole mergers create one single black hole with a powerful gravity. According to the point of no return, or the infinity point, which is in the center of the black hole, there is an assumption that passing from that point is going to transfer the mass into another universe. But there is no proof for that, since no one did this experiment, then came back. Researching and theories are still ongoing to understand this unique phenomenon. Space full with stars surrounding planets and moons. When any object like a planet or moon is crushed and scattered into small parts, it becomes a lost rocket in space. Those rockets passed beside a bigger planet or moon with stronger gravity. It attracted into that planet. That is the meteorite. A rock comes from space, attracted or landed on a planet or moon. Most of those meteorites are small in size, which they burn on the atmosphere of the Earth. There are three types of meteorite. The stony meteorites, mainly composed from rocks and silicate. The iron meteorites, mainly composed from ferronickel. The stony iron, which is mixed rocks with metal composed. The last huge meteorite hit the planet Earth was 66 million years ago. 75% of the species went extinct. After that impact, there was a dark period for 2 years. Then the Ice Age. Normally, the meteorite makes a crater when it does not burn in the atmosphere and impact with the Earth's surface. That only happens when the meteorite is large in size. The largest meteorite fall in Namibia, with a total weight about 60 tons, was discovered in 1920. Also, the oldest crater found in Australia is the Yarrabuba asteroid impact crater. Scientists discover that 70% of the meteorite's ingredients on the Earth have three sources: the Moon, Mars, and Vesta. The fallen meteorites registered are more than 1,100 cases. But the number of the meteorites are unknown. Every day there is a new discovery. Scientists will never stop. Like, follow, subscribe, and activate the bell.